So the first thing we do is cut this all
So
the way
yeah,
around.
So we can cut that off all the way around, okay? And then we're gonna have to disconnect underneath here. So we have to shut off
turn
the
those
water
off.
lines, okay? And then we can disconnect them from here. And then we can unclip this guy here. So we loosen him off so that this pulls right up. So then the whole thing can be lifted straight up.
And then you just reattach everything and you're
So
good.
then we have to take the faucet off and the drain out and attach it to the new sink. Drop the new sink in.
So you keep the drain
Yeah, we're gonna keep this drain
and the faucet.
and the faucet. We're just replacing the sink. So we're gonna put all the new hardware into that guy, and then we're gonna check to make sure that he fits in there. Well, I guess we can check before we put all the hardware on it, because we might have to modify our hole. And then when we set him in place, if everything looks good, then what we'll do is
Lift it a little bit and
we're,
cock it.
we're gonna lift it out. We'll put a little bead of caulking all the way around the bottom, and we're gonna set it in, and then we'll do that final bead just around the outside edge.